everyone, my name is Aya and I'm from Libya. And welcome to my new YouTube channel, Learn Academic Arabic, or as we call it, فصحى. مرحبا، اسمي آية وأنا من ليبيا. أهلا وسهلا بكم في قناة اليوتيوب الخاصة بي. In this channel, I want to share with you guys all the knowledge and all the experience that I have in this field. I've been teaching Arabic for more than 7 years now, and I really love it. And I want you also to practice your knowledge that you have. So basically, this channel is for beginner. We will start from the basic level, and of course, we will grow up together to move forward. So what I need from you is uh, to keep following my lessons, to keep repeating them, and to ask if you have any questions. The other thing, I'll promise you that my lessons won't be more than 15 minutes, and I could do that daily for you guys if you keep watching it. So, in addition, I promise you that if you keep following and you keep practicing and you keep repeating, you can start learning Arabic easily with no issues. Arabic is great. I'm a native Arabic speaker and I really like it. And I know that you're here because you love the language and you love the sound of it. In this channel, I will try to make the knowledge easy for you. We won't make it complicated. We will try to make it in a very fun and creative way, so you can remember and you can get used to the sound of it. So today we will start with a very simple conversation of Arabic. I'm gonna say it myself. It's okay if you do not understand. I will translate that for you guys later on. I just want you to get used to the Arabic sound. Okay? The more you hear it, the more you get used to it, and the more you can remember words maybe. And so, are you excited? Me too. Let's get started. So, I'll start with a simple conversation as I promised you. Are you ready? Me too. مرحبا or السلام عليكم. كيف حالك؟ أنا بخير وأنت؟ أنا أيضا بخير. So basically what we said in this conversation is, hello, how are you? I'm good. And you? I'm good too. So let's start with the first word. It's marhaba. Marhaba means hello, or the very common way is to say assalamu alaikum. May peace be upon you. Okay, so repeat it. Marhaba. You? Very good. Let's do it another time. Marhaba. Okay. The other one. Assalamu alaikum. You guys? Assalamu alaikum. Very good. Let's move forward. Kaifa haluka. Kaifa is how. Okay. Haluka, like how are you doing? You know? So, Kaifa haluka. Let me say something. If the phrase finishes with a or a, it means that you are talking to the masculine or you are talking to a male person. So, kaifa haluka is for the masculine. It's a masculine phrase. It means that you are talking to a masculine or you are talking to a male person. In addition, if I say kaifa, which is the same here, haluki, which is ending by I at the end, it means that I'm talking to the female, so it's a feminine. means that I'm talking to a feminine, I'm talking to a lady, or I'm talking to a girl. Okay, and this is the informal way. So this is the very basic one. So كيف حالك كيف حالك. Let's repeat it together. كيف حالك. You? Okay. كيف حالك كيف حالك. Repeat it with me. كيف حالك. Okay. So let's go for the other phrase. It's أنا بخير, which is mean I'm good. So أنا is or I, like I'm talking about me. بخير is good. Okay. أنا بخير. أنا بخير. So this phrase, it has no change if you're talking, if you are a girl or a boy, a man or a woman. So it's the same. There is no change here. Okay. So I'm good. Okay. And you? And is wow. Okay. You is anta, in case he's a man, or anti in case she is a woman. So wa anta, wa anta, or wa anti. Okay, so let's move forward. أنا أيضا بخير. أنا أيضا بخير, which means I'm also good. So as we said, أنا is or I. Also here is أيضا, and then بخير, it's the same, it's good. Okay, so today we've learned how to say hi and how to ask, how to say how are you and how to answer that question, and that's it. So in the following lessons we will keep the same process, and of course we need to learn also the Arabic alphabet. So see you next lesson, guys, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and see you soon. Bye.